Hey, see Pookie? Pookie, the guy that twerk in the alley with a butt naked shirt like this. He doing the freak off. Pookie. Huh? Huh? I'm looking for my friend, Pookie.
Yeah, but you know how to take a video.
No, I miss him. I give him some Narcan. Pookie, where are you, Pookie? I'm looking for Pookie. See Pookie? You know Pookie? All right. Pookie, where are you, Pookie? Maybe Pookie's locked up, huh? For doing that freak off. What's up, OG? I don't, sorry. What's up, brother? Hey, you see Pookie?
I haven't saw him.
Big Pookie, like 6'5". The one I do the freak off in the alley, butt naked. Yeah, Pookie. I got something for him, yeah. He cool dude, man.
Yeah.
He got some.
You're better.
He got so fucked up, man. He started doing the freak off and diddy in the alley. I like shit, man, butt naked. And my
That good, huh?
my video got deleted from YouTube.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Yeah. Where you going, brother?
Down the hill.
Oh, you trying to sell that?
What you want?
Yeah, let me. I'm let me end the video. Get this.
Okay.
Let's shoot the video. I'm here looking for
Hi.
Pookie, man.
Hey, my God.
Yeah, you got all the good, man.
What's
Let's
wrong
go.
with you? Holla at brother.
Yeah. Hey, man, you got all food?
Yeah, that's it.
Like chip?
Yeah.
Oh, it's food though.
Cheeto, burrito.
How much you want all for that? The whole bag?
What you want to do?
I know. How much you want all for?
I don't know. Holla at me.
Yeah, I'm set right now. Let me see. Yeah, put it down.
There's
So you got 3 bags. Okay, what else is there? And some burritos.
burrito, Oreo.
I take all that for $10. 2 bags.
Which one?
This 2 bags, yeah.
$10?
Yeah, I'm buying. I'm gonna give it to the homeless in around my neighborhood. Just a chip and these 2 right here.
No, I'm keeping them, family. I love it for that.
Yeah, man. You can all go steal some more.
I ain't stealing though.
No, I'm making sure.
I got some food I was stealing.
What you got, man?
Yeah.
What kind of food you got, bro?
Yeah.
I'm hungry, man. Actually, I'm gonna drop it off in Kent. It's up to you, man. I don't eat that junk food.
What you eat?
No, I eat rice, fish and rice.
That's good for us.
I don't
Get
eat none.
back on that.
I don't eat none of the processed shit, man. Give you sick.
It's a good idea. I need to start getting my rice again.
Real shit. No,
Yeah.
real talk though, man. It'll fucking make you sick in the long run, you know.
I'm gaining too much weight, and I don't eat meat no more.
I'm 65 years old and $150.
You look good.
I run 4.5.
Oh, you're a bad man.
No, not that. I'm trying to get this get this two $10.
I'll give you all the chips for $10.
No, plus the Dorito too.
I'm talking about all the 2 Doritos and the.
Just this two bags here, $10. I gotta go.
I can't do it, family. I love you, bro.
Man,
I love you, bro.
how much you want? 15? We're gonna up to 15.
Can I keep the bags though? Can I keep?
Yeah,
all the
you get the bag. Yeah.
You got somewhere to put it?
Yeah, my car's over there.
Can I dump it
Yeah,
on that?
let me go end this. Yeah. Huh.